Hi, so today you find yourself in that scenario whereby you've forgotten your password and you can't completely remember it. And in this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way of how to reset this Windows 10 or Windows 11 password without having any other software. Simplest way in less than 5 minutes. So first thing first, have a look at our scenario. We have the username is Dell and you try entering the password, it's not working. Try entering the password once again, it's not working. So this is what you do. It's very simple. First thing first, just come here, click on OK, and then click on Shift right over here. So press on Shift. As you still hold on Shift, come here where you have the power button. There, the power button, and then click on Restart. So restart and then restart anyway. Now give it some time to restart, and then there's this window that will open. So let's give it time. Still holding on the Shift button. See, don't leave the Shift button. Give it some time. We're almost there. Yes, we are almost there. We're almost there. I don't want to skip this video so that you see that it's actually real and easier to do it on your own. Now yeah, so this window will open, and then from there come to where you have the troubleshoot. Now come to troubleshoot, and then troubleshoot, come to advanced option right here, advanced option. Then an advanced option, look for CMD, the command prompt. Now run the CMD. After the CMD is open, type notepad, just simple notepad. See, notepad. Let me just bring it closer. See, notepad. Now after that, just click on enter over there, and then the notepad will open. Now what you do with the notepad, come to where you have the file, just the first word there, the file, and then under the file click on open. Yeah, click on open. So under open, once it's open here, come to where you have this PC over there. So this PC, then under this PC navigate to local disk C where you have your Windows, local disk C. Then under local disk C, come and search for Windows, the last one that's written Windows. Then under Windows, now we come and look for System 32. So System 32, I think it's at the bottom. Yeah, we have the System 32 right over here. Let me just bring it closer. See, System 32, this one, System 32. So click on System 32 there. Then after it's opened, now here first come and under your file, put it to all documents. Yeah, text, put it to all files. See, all files. Then after that, now come and look for a file called utilman. So search for it. I think it's under you. Let's just navigate. I think it's at the bottom after where we have you. Yeah, RSW, RSTUVW. Yeah, I think it's down there. Yeah, utilman. Now I think it's almost there. RST again. Yes. Utilman. Yeah, I think it's here. See? So this is the utilman. See the here? Utilman. So what you do here is under utilman, click on it, and then right click, then come to where you have rename here. So before you rename it, point at it again and then right click again, copy. Yeah, once you've copied, rename the utilman to like utilman 2, so you add 2. See, then once you add 2, just press on enter. Once you've done that, you'll have renamed the utilman to utilman 2. Yeah, even if you refresh, you'll see it's utilman 2. Then after that, now let's go and look for CMD. Look for a file called CMD. I think it's at the top under C. I think it's somewhere, it's close. Now we passed it somewhere here. The CMD, yeah, we have the CMD right over there. So under the CMD, come to CMD there, and then rename. Yeah, then delete it, and then you paste the utilman that we copied. So you'll just paste there. See, paste and rename it utilman, then click on enter. Once you've done that, just come here and click cancel. Yeah, okay, close everything. Then now exit and continue to Windows 11 now. So let's give it time. We're almost there. We're almost there. Yeah, almost. Yeah, give it time now to restart, and then still restarting. Remember, this process, the fastness of that process will depend on how fast your machine is. Now you see what's happening here. See, we still can't even put the password. So what you come and do is you click on this icon right over here, this one. So you click on it and it will launch CMD. Just click on it like that and the CMD will launch. Then under here write net users. See, net user. So under net user, this tab here will open. Yeah, so here you can see the users we have on this PC. You can see we have an administrator, default account, the user is Dell, we have a guest. So we are trying to reset the password for this administrator, Dell. So what you'll do is you'll write net user, then space again, and then write Dell. It's in capital, remember. So write Dell. Yeah, mine is in capital, depend with yours. Then after that, then space, and then put the asterisk or this star sign, this one. See this sign on top here? Put this sign. So shift there, and then click on enter. Once you've done that, see, type password for user. So because you're not going to put any password, you don't want to create any password, you'll just leave it blank by pressing enter, and then retype the password to confirm. Again, press enter. After that, the command completed successfully. So what you do is just exit the command prompt by typing exit, see, just then click on enter. Once you've done that, come back here and then just click on this right arrow over there, and boom, you're logged in to your machine. Now that's not the end. Before you continue using your laptop, remember we changed the CMD, so let's turn it back. So come to the Windows File Explorer right over there, Windows Explorer. Then under the Explorer, let's navigate once again to Windows there, navigate to users, then after users, System32, yeah, System32 right over there. Then under System32, look for the utilman, it's down, I think it's down right over here somewhere. Here we have the utilman, see, utilman, this one. So you're going to rename it back to CMD, so click on it, then rename, then more options, then rename. So now I'll rename it to CMD, then click on enter. So you see, we are done. It's back to CMD. This is very crucial, so that at least when you're searching or when you're trying to run CMD on your machine, it still works properly. So CMD is there. We are done, guys. If that worked for you, let me know in the comment section. If it didn't work, let me know in the comment section. I can still assist you where you're stuck. See you next time on another video like this one. Make sure that you hit on the like button. Also hit on the watch later button just in case you might need it later, and don't forget to subscribe.